Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best folding mattress you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best folding mattress on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which folding mattress are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Mobley 6-inch tri-folding memory foam mattress. The Mobley 3-inch tri-fold mattress is comprised of 1-inch gel memory foam and 2-inch high-density support foam. The memory foam conforms to your body exactly for a softer sleep, and the high-density support foam strengthens the mattress. This innovative tri-fold mattress features 30% denser support foam than the previous version. This enhanced support foam prevents the mattress from collapsing, provides optimal body support, and creates a medium firm feel. Mobley memory foam tri-fold mattresses are an excellent choice for short-term sleeping. Simply unfold the memory foam bed on the floor for a restful night's sleep. After use, it folds down to a compact size, allowing you to transport this mattress wherever. For details, let's watch more. Our second best folding mattress is IE 6-inch tri-fold memory foam mattress Topa. The cover of the IE Nature memory foam foldable mattress is made of ultra-soft bamboo. In comparison to conventional mattresses, the bamboo cover's breathable softness and tactility enable you to sleep comfortably for extended periods of time. The IE Nature 6-inch folding mattress is comprised of 1-inch gel memory foam and 5-inch high-density support foam, providing a level of firmness that is preferred by the majority of individuals. Foldable design can save more space in your residence. The dimensions of the small twin folding mattress are 75-inch by 25-inch by 6-inch when flat and 25-inch by 25-inch by 18-inch when compressed. Folds into a small size and fits into a carry pouch for simple storage and transport. The IE Nature tri-fold mattress can be folded and unfurled with ease, making it the ideal temporary sleeping solution. Excellent for travel, family gatherings, dorm accommodation, camping and yoga practice. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Milliard tri-folding memory foam mattress. The Milliard memory foam tri-fold mattress lets you sleep comfortably wherever you go. For a good night's sleep, simply unfold the foam bed on the floor of any room, mobile home, or tent. This bed comfortably satisfies all of your sleeping requirements and folds neatly away for storage in seconds. Memory foam is well known for its therapeutic properties as well as its comforting support. The Milliard tri-fold mattress is vented for airflow to aid in temperature regulation during sleep for maximum support and comfort. Twin, full, and queen sizes are available. The Milliard memory foam tri-fold mattress is an excellent choice for temporary sleeping arrangements. Ideal for unexpected overnight guests, family reunions, dorm rooms, camping, and travel. Separate fitted sheets are sold separately. The Milliard 6 inches tri-fold mattress is made of 1.5 inch of 3 pounds. Luxury memory foam on top of a 4.5 inch supportive foam base for a comfortable night's sleep. With a superior high-density structure that will not lose its shape, our CertiPure certified premium memory foam outperforms all. For details, let's watch more. fourth recommendation in our side is Inofia Trifold Memory Foam Mattress. For a better night's sleep, the Inofia 4-inch foldable twin mattress is made of 1-inch memory foam on top of a 3-inch supportive foam base. All of the foldable mattresses have been CertiPure US certified and are free of fiberglass. The thick and long-lasting fabrics provide you with long-lasting comfort. The foam camping mattress has an ultra-soft bamboo cover. Inofia's twin folding mattress measures 78-inch by 38-inch by 4-inch when flat and 38 inches by 26-inch by 12-inch when folded. The Inofia Memory Foam Trifold mattress allows you to sleep comfortably wherever you go. Simply unfold the memory foam bed and place it on the floor in any room for a restful night's sleep. This foldable mattress is thick, soft, velvety, breathable, and easy to put together. The Inofia portable mattress is the best answer for temporary sleeping accommodations, making it great for unexpected sleepover guests or family reunions, going camping or traveling in an RV, or living in a dorm room. The mattress has an ultra-soft and skin-friendly bamboo cover to keep it clean and comfy while you sleep. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best folding mattress list is Secretland Tri-Fold Memory Foam Mattress. The Secretland folding mattress combines the portability of a folding bed with the comfort of a memory foam mattress. It not only allows you to freely switch between the sofa and the bed, but it also allows you to sleep comfortably wherever you go. The Secretland the 3-inch memory foam folding mattress has 2 layers. That 1-inch gel memory foam conforms to your body perfectly and absorbs pressure. 2-inch high-density support foam gives ideal body support. The Secretland Tri-Folding mattresses have a larger density of support foam than standard folding mattresses, which provides more firmness. The folding mattress's durability has also been substantially enhanced, and it can withstand thousands of pressure tests in the laboratory without collapsing. Secretland folding mattresses are an excellent choice for short-term sleep. The washable Trifold mattress cover is constructed of breathable and skin-friendly fabric. The non-slip fabric on the bottom holds the mattress in place and prevents movement. For details, let's watch more.